Hello everyone, welcome to our video session. So today in our video, let's do some creativity here. So I'm taking different types of leaves color and making a tree. So down a stem's leaves has been, and I'm taking a red leaves and then moving forward. So here I'm drawing a line. I'm taking different leaves. So let's take a dried brownish leaf, drawing the eyes, taking some eyes images, and then here's a boy standing on the wood. So let's move on, taking different green leaves, sticking onto the paper, and then slowly a paper is being stuck, and here's a frog that is being drawn and stuck into the paper. Let's take a green leaf and draw the hairs and stick onto the paper, draw the face, and here's a beautiful girl. So let's take a blue sheet, stick onto the paper, and here shade them with different colors, and then take a green leaf, then stick onto the blue paper, and same as follows. So here's a beautiful pot images of a fish inside a pot. So an ice has been stuck, and here's beautiful fishes that is inside a pot into water. And let's draw some different emojis floating with it. Let's move on. I'm taking an orange leaves and then making into a sunflower, taking an yellow sheets and then making a sunflower more beautiful and stick the green leaves. So let's take a dried brownish leaf, cut them and stick onto it. So sticking an eyes, and here's a face, and here's a beautiful animal. So let's move on. Again, a green leaf has been stuck, and different yellow color and a green color, and the eyes has been stuck. So here's a worm that is inside a leaf that's been walking. So let's move on. Take a green leaf and the dried yellow leaf, stick a wood, just draw the eyes, and here's a beautiful giraffe is been stuck. So let's stick the green leaves. Let's move on. Take a leaf and here's a face, and a shoe is being stuck with a red leaf. So same way, again a leaf is being taken and then an umbrella is being cut. Let's move on. Take a greenish and the brownish leaf. Let's draw the legs and an eyes, and here's a beautiful shapes is being drawn into the leaves, and here's a bird and the clouds is being drawn. So let's move on. I'm taking a big leaf and then taking a red leaf, and I'm sticking a sheet onto the leaves, and here's a beautiful aeroplane. So let's take a leaf and cut into half. So using a black sketch, draw them the shape, stick onto the paper slowly, and again the green and the red leaf is being taken, stick on the eyes, and then the green grasses of leaf is being stuck. Let's move on. Taking a green leaf, stick the yellow, green, maroon, and stick the eyes and the smiling face with white glitters. Here's a beautiful worm in a leaf. So I'm taking an yellow color and the green leaf. Let's draw the pineapple with different emojis. So here I'm drawing a peach, and the eyes and the lips with different emoji is being drawn.